Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be doing this look. So yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, continue watching. I just decided to come up with this look. I wanted to do something a little bit different, so I'm like, yeah, maybe I should do something like double cut crease or something, you know. Yeah, so I went with this look, and I also went in with this lip color. It is very rich, very, you know, vampy like. And then I pop some gloss over it, and yeah. Okay, yes guys, so just finished off the eyes and everything. Went in with my lashes. I went also did my foundation, highlighting, and so forth. So I'm just gonna contour my face now, and I'm using my Morphe 35 palette. I'm using this shade to contour my cheekbones a little bit. Yeah, so we're just gonna go in with this brush, and I'm using this brush from Sylyne. This is a new brush that completes their 15-piece brush set. Just gonna take that. So we're all good. So now I'm gonna go in with my Juvia's Place Zulu palette, and I'm just gonna take the same blue that we used earlier. Yeah, I'm just gonna take it with Basically, it's the same thing that we did at the top. We're doing it at the bottom. You know, blend that out. And I don't want to drag it out here. I'm just gonna take it under the lid, or at the lid. Yeah, like so. I'm just gonna take a little bit more because I kind of want the green to be a little bit stronger. Okay, so I'm gonna try to put something at the inner portion. I'm thinking about using some kind of like a shimmery shade, but I'm looking for more something on the rose goldy kind of. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with my Morphe 35O palette, and I'm going to use this shade. This one, this rose gold shade, yeah. So I'm just gonna take that rose gold shade and add it to the inner portions and see how that look. If I don't like it, I'm just gonna wipe it off. I'm gonna add it right here. Go in with my Makeup Revolution Vivid Baked Bronzer. Then we're just gonna take it right at the top. Right here. Wow. This bronzer is highlighter. It says bronzer, but it's a highlighter. Bronzing highlighter? Yeah. Oh, I love it. And it's so pigmented. Look at that. You see that? Wow. Oh. Okay, now we're just gonna use this brush that we used to do our contouring to just blend out the edges. Okay, just gonna rub over it a bit again. Okay, so I'm going to take a little tipsy weeny bit of the highlighter down my nose, not a lot. I'm just gonna take it right here, like when the highlighter is right here. Yeah, very nice. So yes guys, this is the finished look. Hope you like it. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.